Hello viewers, welcome back to another new video. In our previous video we showed the Epson SureColor SC-T5130 printer installation process. Today I want to show you how to perform the initial setup after getting the power on. So, let's jump to the video. Dear viewers, first of all we need to remove all the protective materials like blue tapes, cork sheets, or other plastic materials. This is auto cutter unit. We are removing all the protective materials. Please pull the roll paper cover and remove the blue color tapes and cork sheets inside. Now I'm connecting the power cable in the printer. Just pressing the power button, I'm powering on the printer. Please select the language. Now you can show here the instruction to set up the printer. Then please tap on the Done button. OK, now please set up the date and time accordingly. After pressing the OK button, the screen will go to Next Step. Now it is time to insert the cartridges into the printer. After inserting the cartridges, you must need to shake them well at least 20 times. Please pull this cap and insert the cartridge carefully. Now I'm inserting the cyan cartridge in the printer, then I will insert the yellow, magenta, and the black cartridges one by one. Till then, please see the process carefully. Dear viewers, hope you like this video. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel JiniTech BD and press the bell icon to get updates on the next video. Okay, we have inserted all the cartridges. Now we need to lock the cap of the cartridges. Well, now we need to close the front cover. After closing the cover, the initial ink charge will start. This process will take 18 to 20 minutes. Please remember, do not open any cover or turn the power off until initialization is complete. Wishing you good health, I am leaving here today. May Allah bless you all. If you have any feedback about the video, please let us know in the comment section. Stay with JiniTech BD. I will come soon with a new video. Till then, everyone take care. Bye.